Okay, so this video explains why getting rid of bed bugs feels impossible and what you can do about it. Calm steps, honest reasons, and a plan you can follow tonight. Here's the thing. Bed bugs feel impossible because they're built to hide, survive, and come back. They're tiny, flat, and nocturnal, and that lets them slip into seams and furniture where sprays and people can't reach. Understanding that helps you stay patient and precise. This is why you can't just spray once. Females lay sticky eggs you'll miss, some bugs survive months without feeding, and pesticides often miss hiding bugs or newly hatched nymphs. Even one missed crack or a reintroduced item can restart the whole problem. You know what? Feeling stressed and sleep deprived is normal. If you're afraid they'll bite your kids or spread to friends, that's completely understandable. This guide shows why elimination is challenging and gives a clear step-by-step plan you can follow at home. The good news, bed bugs are not undefeatable. A consistent, complete approach will get them gone. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This one's important, immediate actions that reduce bites and give you relief. Start here tonight to stop the worst of the bites and get some sleep while you work on the rest. Okay, so tonight start with 3 things. Put a bed bug proof encasement on your mattress and box spring to trap bugs inside. Wash sheets, pillowcases, and clothes on the hottest setting and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. If your bed has legs, place interceptors under each leg. This is simple but effective. Move the bed away from walls and furniture. Keep bedding from touching walls, curtains, or other furniture so bugs can't easily access the bed. Why these help? Encasements remove the biggest hiding place. Heat kills all life stages. Interceptors block and show movement. And moving the bed reduces routes for bugs to reach you. For the products we recommend to carry out these steps, click the link below. This part matters. A practical, comprehensive treatment plan that actually works. Spray alone rarely fixes the whole problem. You need cleaners, physical controls, and targeted pesticide use. The core principle, spray alone rarely fixes the whole problem. Bed bugs hide in many places, and eggs can survive until they hatch. A reliable plan mixes physical controls, cleaning, and targeted pesticide use when used correctly. Start with contain and clean. Declutter sleeping areas, seal cracks and vacuum, and empty the vacuum into a sealed bag outside. This one's important. Use both a contact spray and a residual spray. Contact sprays kill on contact and give immediate reduction, while residual sprays continue to kill after they dry. Focus sprays on bed frames, seams in furniture, molding, and other hiding spots. Don't spray bedding or people. Spray twice per week for the first month, then once per week for the next 2-3 months. This is the part most people skip. Why persistence matters. One missed egg or hiding spot can restart activity. Keep going even if you see fewer bites right away. If you see any signs, then return to the treatment schedule. When can you call it done? How to know you've eliminated the infestation and how to keep it gone. Use clear milestones and checks over time so you don't get surprised. Becoming bug-free takes time and checks. If you do not see any of the following for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Use these milestones to measure progress. Keep mattress encasements and interceptors in place during this period and continue laundering bedding regularly on high heat. Check common hiding spots weekly for the first few months, then monthly. Look for these signs: live bed bugs, shed skins or exoskeletons, and fecal spots, small dark dots. Check common hiding spots weekly for the first few months, then monthly. If you don't see any of these for 3 consecutive months, the infestation is very likely eliminated. Also look for blood spots on sheets. Blood spots are one of the signs that show active feeding. If you see any signs, return to the treatment schedule. Keep mattress encasements and interceptors in place. during this period and continue laundering bedding regularly on high heat. Keep mattress encasements and interceptors in place during this period and continue laundering bedding regularly on high heat. Check common hiding spots weekly for the first few months, then monthly. If you see any signs, return to the treatment schedule. A few extra practical tips that save time and mistakes. These small steps help prevent reintroducing bugs and keep your treatment organized. Inspect second-hand furniture carefully. Treat or avoid bringing in used items until they're confirmed clean. Use clear storage bins with lids for clothes and toys during treatment. Label clean laundry and store it separately so you don't accidentally reintroduce bugs. Keep a simple checklist and calendar for treatments. Consistency beats guesswork. Label clean laundry and store it separately so you don't accidentally reintroduce bugs. Stick to the schedule and you'll catch newly hatched bugs before they multiply. You can do this, stay steady, and the results will follow. For the products we recommend to finish the job, click the link below. With patience and focus, you'll sleep through the night again.